Welcome to the first video on Hoser Garage. Today the plan is going to be disassembling the rest of the engine, making a list of what I need to buy, what I need to replace. I already have a gasket set coming from Acura. Right now I'm just going to go get some food and then we're going to go to the shop and we're going to start working. What I've done is I've taken off all the accessories, got the valve cover off. Okay, so first things first, we're going to have to take this off. Now I don't have the special tool. I'm going to see if I can just use my impact and see if that'll work. So let's give that a go real quick here. Why don't we? Come to find out that there's a weighted crank pulley impact socket that you can get so that you can take the crank pulley bolt out. I think one of my technicians at the place I work at has one, so I'm going to drive down there and get it really quick here. So we're back. We've got the socket. Oh my God, this thing is amazing. Just came out easy peasy now. Holy, I'm so happy. Oh, so you just gotta slide the balancer out now. Make sure you don't drop the key. So there's the harmonic balancer. There's the little key. Now we can just start zipping off this timing chain cover. That's gonna be pretty easy. Just a couple 10 mil bolts all the way around. Can never have enough 10 mils when working on Hondas. And then we can take the pry bar right in these little spots right here. There it is. Timing chain cover taken off. I need to get a pin because I need to lock the tensioner. Just have to put some pressure on it and then get the pin through there. And that just goes right in there, just like that. And it basically locks this from doing anything funny on you, because you don't want that to shoot out. We're gonna take off our little crankshaft position dealie. Now you'll notice, I can get it to focus, it says outside, so just when you put it back on, just make sure that's facing outside. That's all you need to do. Now for the rest of it, we're going to take out all the guides and make sure that you guys can see here. Like 12 on the top. Back in for now. All I need to do is take that off. Okay. now those are done, now we can just loosen them off by hand all the way. They should be loosening off by hand. If they're not, then there's something wrong. And then when you set these on your workbench, make sure you set them in an order you can remember that you took them off at. Now we're going to carefully lift these cams out. That's the intake cam. And then we have the exhaust cam. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the zap strap and you're going to want to connect those together, because there's springs and there's rods in there that if they come out, they're going to shoot all over your garage. Oh, it's just the head bolts. So there's 10 head bolts. Okay, there we go. We got the head off. Okay guys, so here's the end of the video. I got everything I wanted to do today. My real only goal was to get the head off. I learned a lot of stuff today. This is the first time I've been properly doing this. Taking an engine apart. I'm trying my best. I'm gonna make mistakes, I'm pretty sure of it. But it's fun. I had a lot of fun today. Thanks for my coworker on let me borrow that socket. That's really started the day off. Man, I'm really excited to come back next week. If you want to see more content from Hoser Garage, hit that subscribe button, and I mean hit that bell if you want to. I can't miss that. Be a really bad YouTuber if I miss that. Thank you.